I welcome you back to Talk Less Interior and Exterior Designs. Today we are going to be talking about what are the necessary things as an interior designer. So for you to check when you get to where you want to work. So when you go for inspection. So you can see that for the past few days, we are actually be talking strictly on wall preparation and the painting. So the reason is there is no how you want to do. Wall preparation is very, very important. And painting too, there is no how you want to do. No matter how installation you want to do on your walls, so you still need to paint some areas. So that is why my videos mainly for painting. So as from now on, we are going to be mixing it. Since this company is not only focusing on painting. So we do POP installation, screeding, wallpaper, 3D panel, PE foam installation, curtain, window blinds. So all these things, concrete sound floor, all these things we that is what we do. So we are going to be picking topics randomly. So from all this area as from this moment. But today we are going to be talking to fellow interior designer. So when you are called for work, there are certain things you are expected to check. So for you to have a good work plan and for you to know what exactly do you need and uh, what exactly do you need to carry out a good work. Number one thing is know the purpose of the area given to you. So maybe it is a room, for example. So know the purpose of that room. Is it a bedroom? Is it a living room? Is it an office? So when you know the purpose, you will know the best thing for there for you to recommend to your clients that we can go with this, we can go with this. This is not necessary here. This is necessary here, and give them reasons why the what you recommend for them is necessary and why what you don't recommend is not necessary. So after knowing the purpose of the room, so the next thing for you to check is take a proper measurement. So as an interior designer, I expect you to know how to take a proper measurement. So why measurement is important? Measurement is important for you to know what kind of furnitures and the size of the furnitures you are going to put in that particular area and the lightning. So what length? Maybe if you are using a chandelier, for example, so what is the height of that room? So what kind of chandelier can actually stay there? So the measurement also is very, very important. So you take measurement of the place to know the sizes of whatever you want to use, maybe curtain, window blind. So take every measurement very accurate. Then the next thing is for you to check the next thing for you is to study the natural light and the artificial lighting. So you check where exactly there is a natural light there or if there is not, and the particular of artificial light that you want to recommend, that is the electrical light that you can recommend for them. So after that, you check the structural condition of the room. So check the room, check the surface of the room. So if it is a wall that needs screening or any wall preparation, so you know before you talk to your clients, you check all these things. So another thing is analyze the traffic flow. So you ask after knowing the purpose, so you analyze the traffic flow. If it's a living room, you know you cannot compare it to bedroom. The kind of people that will be moving around the living room is not comparable to the bedroom. So after you analyze the traffic flow, so you know where to place your furnitures, you know where to like leave for the free movement. So all these things is what you should consider. Then you identify the focal points. So what I mean by focal point is a place that you will have to like design, maybe a TV wall now, for example. So whatever you do on your TV side should reflect in every other areas, every other four angles of the room. Then after that, you understand the client's personality. So make sure you study your clients, you understand the client's personality and their budget so that you will not recommend what they cannot afford for them. So you understanding their personality is knowing is what exactly do they want. So and what kind of work what kind of interior design are they expecting from you. So we'll know if it is someone that's requesting something calm or luxury or classic or modern. So know everything about their personality so that you can know the best thing for you to recommend for them. Then you study the color possibility. So study the color possibility, the matching, so that you will not mix up the color and there will not be color riots. So and another thing is check existing elements. So you check inside the place what are the elements, what are the material that are already existing there, like the tiles. You know you cannot remove tiles. You have to blend your work to meet the standard of the tiles. So and other things like that. Then lastly, you create a concept plan. So after you've analyzed all these things, you now create a concept plan. So after you creating a plan, you work after your plan. So you don't work without plan. If you work without plan, so this can actually lead to an interior that will later look incomplete. So if you just look somehow, so the professionalism will not be there. So what we are going to be giving will not be 100% perfect. So this is what you are expected to do.